today we are opening up a Lux Kitties, but a big one. Not one of those teeny tiny packs. So we're going to do it say peel. I think you're supposed to open it like those little... I think you're supposed to open it like normal jar, like this. I think that's how I'm doing it. You use it, do it. I'm letting my pop or my mom doing it for me. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Okay, here's the guide. You can look at that if you want to.
Thank you. I get the guide. Yay.
And then here's some white Play-Doh. And then there. And then there's a piece of cardboard. Okay, is that weird? Just a piece of cardboard. And then, what is here? Okay, this would be a pet or something, I think. And like here. And that's not the only thing in there. So, okay, yeah. This is confetti. This is the confetti one. Okay. And then my pink Play-Doh. Some pink Play-Doh. And then some brown Play-Doh. And something. You look at that.
Oh.
And then another piece of cardboard. And another piece of cardboard. And then there's that. There is some white Play-Doh. And that's it in there. So now we have to open up all the Play-Dohs. Mama, you get to do the two, and I would do the two, and we would just open that one at the end. Okay? Okay. Let's see what we got. You get...
I think I'm doing the brown first.
Okay, I'm doing my pink first. Well, this certainly feels like a real Play-Doh. Look out for a blue bag, okay? Feel that with them in a blue bag.
Okay.
Because I'm already getting my blue bag already. You too already get your blue bag. Yeah, I know. Tap. Okay. Got my first bag.
I have a green hot dog.
That is a set for your Lux Kitty.
Or whatever animal it is. Or are they all cats?
I don't know. Okay, I found a
It's like a trash can.
Yeah, it looks like a trash can, but still have pink Play-Doh on it. Some chaos trash can. That's my accessory I got. And then oh, look at my cute kitty what I got. It's so cute.
I have Pizza Kitty. I've got a Pizza Kitty.
That kitty look funny. Okay. The kitty look hilarious.
Cleaning my bag.
Okay, I'm gonna say my bag for that.
I'm gonna open mine.
I'm not.
Haha. I got a Pizza Kitty.
Okay.
We had pizza for dinner and I got pizza. Pizza.
This is confetti one. This is confetti. Wow, this is cool. Confetti Play-Doh. Yeah.
Actually interesting.
Yeah, it's relaxing. I really kind of put you with glitter too in this. Set the the white Play-Doh and confetti. Let me try to get off the blue packet with my slippery hands, kind of. Okay. That's what I got. And I got I can't remember. Yeah, let's say it. And there at least should be 2 accessory, Mama.
Well, the first one I only found 1, and I played with it a little bit. I didn't see another one in there.
You should look for it.
I'll go back to it then.
Okay. And I got this cute little kitten. This cute cat. Okay, now since I got now I don't need to open up my accessories. Cool. Okay, can I please have the scissors? I guess I have to dive back in my pink to find my other pink accessory. Yes, I do too. I need to go back in. Mama, can you help me with the blind bags?
Yeah.
They might be Play-Doh on your scissors.
It's alright.
Okay, I need help with that one. I got this one. Okay. Can you help me out with this one too? And you help with this. I think I got a whale one! There's a cat glittery! Whoa, that's cool! And this one I got. A cookie too. And this right here. And here goes sticker. Now I had to go back home and here for the other one.
I got a big old fat cat.
You still had to go digging in
And then
the one.
I got a red cat.
How did you get 2?
There was 2 in that batch.
Really?
And I got a top, a tippy top, spin, once it's clean, and a bowl, it looks like.
Okay. But you still had to dig up the accessory.
I will go back to that.
Okay.
Are you sure there's supposed to be 2?
Yeah, because there's 2 in this one.
Well, that was because they're different sizes. There's not another accessory in this bad boy.
Not this way, you know.
I only done with 1.
Yeah. That's another one with the 2. And then you got this one, and this sticker. Okay, I'm done with mine. But I still think the glittery cat is cute. Boom.
I like my pizza cat.
I always think of you, the one that I like best is the red cat because it have a pink tail. What one do you like better? Mine. The bag one with glittery or the teal-ish one with white?
I like the bag one.
The bag one with glittery inside?
Yeah.
What one do you like in yours?
I don't know. That's a hard choice.
I always like both of them.
I do too. I like them. They're cute.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wait, we gotta open up these. So I'm gonna open up these.
You work on that.
And you do that.
Okay, my pizza is called Cheesy.
Cheesy?
Mm-hmm.
We have pizza have cheese.
Your sparkle one is Totes.
Totes?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yep, really.
Okay.
Cream. And Pixie Pearl is your other one.
Pixie Pearl, is that a cute name?
Uh-huh.
Don't open it yet, though.
Oh. This one's Specs.
Okay.
I don't see the fat cat. Do you see the... Oh. It's Stuffy.
Yeah, I I thought his name was.
We have most of them all for one, except for Totes. He's series 2.
Toad?
Totes. He's actually series 2.
Really? Cool.
Mhm.
Hey, you gotta open up these, and I will open up these two.
Now what am I looking in these for? What's in these?
I have no clue.
Why not?
Because I've seen a lot of people opening one before. Okay. That don't look at. I think it's a Play-Doh. I have no clue. Okay. I think I see something.
I found a spoon.
Right?
I found a spoon.
Hey, can you let me get out this one out of mine? Wait, what did I get? I think I got double prizes in mine.
Alright. Like that I do.
One is a duck and what is the other thing? Another duck. 2 ducks. Okay, then that means both of my lock you have ducks. Okay, you have this duck right there. And you have this duck right here. Now this one have 3, this one will have 2.
And I got a painter's brush.
Okay. Okay, let me put that one and this one. Okay. I got a cup. I have no clue what I got.
Looks like a cup.
Yeah, it looks like a dog cup for dogs. And that going with 4, so she can also have 3. But now them all have 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. For rather 6 plus 2 equals 8. So I got 8 and 80 plus 9, 10, and 11. So I got 11 friends. On top of all products. What are you making? Oh, I know. We can do this together. I know what you're making. I know what you're making. I know what you're making. I'm going to make the snow for it, okay? I'm going to make the snow. Here's the snow. We made a snowman!
No,
Knock
you
over,
made a snowman. You're not paying attention.
Hey!
Looks good.
Okay,
What else did you make?
That's it. That's it.
What's those other things?
These are just spots where you put the animals.
Okay.
Alright, are they all opened?
Yeah, everything's done.
Anything else you want to say in the video? Did you like this?
You like the video? 2 big thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.
And I love Play-Doh. Wait, this is a joke. Not a joke. Who's there? Toys. Toy who? When you want to get a toy and Play-Doh, get Love Kitties. Don't you get it? Bye.
Alright, hold the milk carton up. Where'd it go? Hold it up. Alright, that was a funny joke. Good job.